Salam to all. Let's start with the dollar against Turkish lira as we always do. So last week ended with gain when it didn't break 1772. Stochastic is very high and warning about it turned down, so be careful. This week below 1804 it shall break 1795 and then try 1769-1750 range. Otherwise, our first target at 1964 shall be reached, and this still may be a fake rise, so watch out. Now euro against the dollar. Last week it couldn't stay above 1.0250, 1.0294 range, which we mentioned, and closed the week with loss. Its stochastic is cheap but shows the selling pressure. Below 1 it shall try 0.9963, 0.9955 range. Here the buyers may support for turning the direction for another try. Otherwise it shall want to visit the buyers at 0.9450 area. As for gold, last week it couldn't stay above 1,801, 1,805 range and made 1,744 low as for our 1,755 forecast. Its stochastic is cheap and it went back to the tightening range we mentioned. This week, as long as it trades below 1,764, it shall visit the buyers between 1,729, 1,719, which is the mid-March 2021 low. This spike down may be reacted with rise back to the tightening range. Don't ignore that the tightening range is almost ending around 1,755, which means the market has to make its final decision as for the direction. Let's check the cryptos now and start with Bitcoin. Last week's high was at 25,203 as we were expecting it to try 25,210, 25,396 range with seller's pressure. Its stochastics is cheap but not much hopeful as for a rise. This week, if it is below 21,270, it shall break 20,726 to try 19,674, 19,626 range. Here there might be a spike, but it shall still continue down to visit if there's any buyers left at 15,000, which is the last Fibonacci retracement, and the resistance is at 22,385, 22,845 range. At last, Ether. Last week we were expecting it to try 2018-2030 range with seller's pressure, and last week's high was at 2012. Its stochastic is neither cheap nor expensive and leading up, but be careful. This week, if it is below 1,650, it shall try 1,582, 1,550 range. Here there might be a spike, but this may be limited because it may want to visit last Fibo at 1,100, so careful. Let's also keep in mind that this last retracement was tried like 5 times and not broken, so it now seems quite important and strong support. Thanks for watching. I'm looking forward for your comments and watching the premiere all together. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and set a reminder. Bye.